Go.
Day 21, 22 for 22.
Well, hello, lovely people. It's day 21. You're day 21 or 22 for 22. Here we are back on Canary Square. You've got a Spiegel tent behind us. That's a right good crack in there. It's a good entertainment. We've got Philippe out with me. He's done some good work, Philippe, hasn't he? You've got to say that. If he's a good boy, I might have him take him now. Well, here we go. Day 21, 22 for 22.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
There you go, lovely people. Day 21. Now I've only got 2 days to go. But I need to make some nominations. So today I'm going to nominate Jamie Robinson, good fighter, Joey Weston, another good boxer, and Mark Biggs. I know you're on Facebook, son. I want to see all your guns working together. Lovely people, I'll see you for the last day tomorrow.